In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use GGives in Foodpanda. Using GGives in Foodpanda in 2025 is super straightforward and makes your meals more affordable by letting you pay in installments through GCash. To get started, ensure you have GCash account with GGives enabled. Then, in the Foodpanda app or website, shop as usual, adding your favorite dishes to the cart. At checkout, choose GCash as your payment option. Tap into the GCash interface and select GGives from the list of payment methods. You will then be prompted to choose an installment plan that fits your budget, typically spanning a few weeks. After selecting and agreeing to the terms, tap Pay with GGives, and your order is confirmed with split payments billed to your GCash account over time. If you are using the GCash app directly, the process looks almost identical. Open GCash, tap QR either to pay or generate your own, then select GGives as the payment method. You'll select your preferred plan, agree to the conditions, and complete the transaction. Whether it's a Food Panda order, groceries through PandaMart, or any other eligible merchant, your first GGives step is always choosing your split payment plan and confirming it through GCash. Online or in store, the formula remains the same. Launch GCash, pick GGives at checkout, choose your installments timetable, agree and pay. The merchant receives full payment instantly while you enjoy a budget-friendly pay later setup. No lengthy forms or credit checks. The convenience works seamlessly for approved GCash users. In summary, whenever you are checking out on Foodpanda or PandaMart using GCash, just switch your payment to GGives, pick how many payments you want, confirm, and you are good to go. If you hit any errors during checkout, double check that GGives is enabled in your GCash app, that your installment amount is approved, and that you are using the latest version of both apps. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.